train. Yeah, it's quite a train. And you got the engineer right there. And the conductor. And look at this train. Look at this train here. Powered with green technologies. What is it, natural gas? Oh, it's electric. Oh, no wonder. Yeah, it didn't sound like. Yeah. Now, how do you build them? I mean, you get the chassis and the wheels and the different pieces. And
we do. We have the tug is actually built to specification for us out here at 285.
Yeah.
It's built on an electric, like an industrial tugger process. And then we take the tug, get it in that form, and make a few changes. And then, of course, we roll our own seal, do our own paint, all the graphics.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's really neat.
Custom built, like in a.
Who designed the whole thing?
Actually, I've helped with the design as well.
Yeah, that's really cool.
We start with just a piece of paper.
Yeah.
Then we go revert to CAD work, of course, and put it on AutoCAD and
wow.
Go to town.
Wow, that is great. And you've sold 52 of them.
52 units all over the world, actually.
Yeah.
I've been here for 5 years, so and before I started building them, I used another product.
I see.
Built out of a company in Canada.
Yeah.
And when the product exceeded $60,000 in US, I decided it was time to start building the product.
Oh, yeah.
We market this product for about $45,000.
Oh, I see. I see.
$15,000 less than the leading competitor.
Yeah, I see. Wow.
Since the inception of the product, we're leading the world in electrical train sales.
Really? Congratulations.
It's the best time of the year.
Bye. Bye.